what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for the month of May 2020. I actually just got it in the mail right now, so I'm so excited to get into it. I haven't opened it or anything like that, but just by the feel of it, this box feels very, very light. And I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign, but let's just go ahead and jump into it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. If you engaging is on my agenda. Alright guys, so it does still have the seal. We are gonna break into it because I always like to give you guys my first impressions. I always like to open it right along with you guys. So let's cut into this little box. Okay, so it is now open. I was actually supposed to be getting this box tomorrow, but it came a day early. So let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so right on the top, it has the theme of the month. So it is Mother Nature, since it was Mother's Day this past weekend. So it's Mother Nature is the theme, guys. And let's put that aside and let's jump into this little box. Okay. I don't know. We have a whole big space, and the products are so small. I feel like they could have sent out these items in the smaller box, and I would have known that it's a premium box because I am a premium member. I just feel like this whole space is like a waste. But anyhow, besides the point, we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. So the first thing we got is this right here. This is by the brand Baddington, and this is a brush set. So on the back of the box, it says that it is a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. So let's see what they are about. I don't know. I'm not super impressed by getting brushes because didn't we just get brushes the last month? Was it last month? I'm pretty sure it was last month. I got a set of 3 brushes. So I feel like brushes are always good to have. Like I always like to have extras because I hate washing my brushes, but I feel like they could have changed it up because we just got a set of trio brushes last month, and now they sent out a set of 2. So this is what the brushes look like. They're really nice. They feel really soft. Ooh, this one's really, really nice, but I just feel like I already have brushes from last month that I still haven't even broken into, and they're already sending another set of brushes. But anyhow, besides the point, they're very pretty, and this is from the brand Baddington. Let's see, the amount that they cost is $90. I'm not sure if I would pay $90. Definitely no. I know that for a fact. I would never pay $90 for 2 brushes. Like, no, so far I'm not satisfied. I'm sorry, but I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm not satisfied with this. We just had brushes last month. All right, we're just gonna move along, okay? We are gonna move along to the next item, which is this one right here. And this is by Kat Von D. It's the Inkwell Liner. And this is the shade. I'm actually not mad at this because I actually really do like the shade of this eyeliner. And this is a really pretty eyeliner, and it's gonna give you that extra pop of color. And oh my god, I'm so excited about this. The packaging is so cute. It looks like a little cone, like a little stiletto, like to stab you. I'm just kidding. Okay, but yeah, it's really pretty. It's nice and matte. The eyeliner shade is gonna be this, and it's like a really nice blue extra pop of color. Like I said, I love bright, bold colors. So this would definitely stand out, and it's super liquidy. So just be very careful with that. That's the shade of this eyeliner. And it says, this is the Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liquid Eyeliner. And this one actually retails for $20. So I'm happy about this item. Let's move along to the next few items that we got in our box. Okay guys, so the next item out of the box is gonna be this right here, and this is the Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Man, that's a mouthful. And The packaging is so cute and girly. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. I actually just got some sleeping mask for my lips. It smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. It smells like a sweet candy, and it feels nice and creamy. You guys can't see it, but it's right there. Okay, not bad, I guess. So far, I'm not really liking this box. Why? Okay, so this Tarte Sugar Rush Butter Lip Balm does retail for $12, and the packaging is cute. Like, I'm not mad at it. So we got 2 makeup products and 2 brushes. Let's see what else they sent out in our box. We are gonna move along to this, and this is by Milk Makeup. This looks really small. Aren't we supposed to get full-size items? I'm pretty sure that this is not a full-size item because I have the Milk Makeup chunky blurring stick, and that thing is like chunky and it's big. So this is not full-size. I would definitely prefer to get full-size items. I don't know, I'm just like not feeling this box this month. It's just like not up my alley. Usually I'm never disappointed. They always overexceed my expectations. But this month, I'm just like not feeling it. Anyhow, it does have like a little seal. Let me take this off really quick. Okay, so after taking off the little seal, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure that this product goes a long way. Because I still have my blurring stick, and that thing has lasted me a very long time. I actually really do like the brand Milk. It's a really good brand. So this right here is the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. And this is a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint. So you could use this for your cheeks or your lips. I would not be using this for my cheeks. I'm more of a powder girl. And for the lip, I feel like I would be using this for my lips rather than this. So I feel like I got 2 lip products that I'm not really gonna get much use out of, but let's just swatch it anyway. This is what it looks like right here. It's nice and shimmery, and it does give it like a little flush of color. It's okay, and it's a mini size as well. So I'm just like not satisfied with this box at all. Like, honestly, I'm not. I'm gonna move along to the next item that I got in our box. We're down to 2 more items. And it's gonna be this one right here. And this is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. Kevyn Aucoin is super fancy. I've never ever tried any of his products because they are more of like the fancier high end of beauty products. The packaging is really cute. It's nice and gold. It kind of matches, like, I see like the whole theme with the brushes. But again, like mascara, I have a lot of mascaras. I don't know, I'm just like not feeling this box at all. I mean, it's pretty awesome to try out a new mascara. That is super high end. The wand is really nice. It has like a really nice curve, and I could always use a really good mascara. Gonna be putting this one to use, but nothing special, nothing different out of this month's box. But let's see what this mascara is about. And okay, so it says Kevyn Aucoin, this is the Expert Mascara, and this Expert Mascara has a lightweight formula, and it's buildable, and it's gonna leave your lashes to its fullest while being soft to the touch. Okay, I don't think there's anything very much special about this mascara. Since I wear falsies, I just put a very light layer of mascara onto my natural eyelashes because I always applied falsies on top of that. But this mascara does retail for $29, and it is more of a higher end. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the very last item in our box. All right, guys, so the last item that I got in my box was this one right here. And this one is the Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. And it's really cute because on the packaging, This is supposed to be like a camera lens type of vibe going on. I could see it. It's really cute. The eyeshadow colors are very pretty. They're very neutral. I think it would complement a lot of skin complexions, but I feel like the size of it, again, it's like a mini. I feel it's like a mini. This does retail for $23. And I'm not mad at the brand. I actually really love SmashBox. I love Milk Makeup. Like, I love all of that. But just the items that they sent out, I'm not fully satisfied with this box. I think this box was not that great for myself. The variation that I got was variation 49, if you guys are curious. And my whole retail value was $189. Honestly, to be completely honest with you guys, I think the only item that I was fully satisfied with was this ink eyeliner. I just love bright, bold colors. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a good use out of it. And this one retailed just for $20. I feel like the Baddington brushes that retail for $90, it's like completely bogus. Like, if you're gonna give me a $90 brush, make sure that it's a full set of brushes, not just two. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Anyhow, I'm not satisfied with this box. This is very disappointing, but anyhow, I still am a Boxycharmer. I do love them. This is just one box that I'm not fully satisfied with. Other than that, they have never let me down. So hopefully next month's box is a lot better. And I'm gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give me some big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. These are my honest opinions, so don't come for me. All right, that's gonna be it for today. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.